So during the claim process, it's become apparent that the insurance company is not going to pay you fairly, and we've initiated litigation. That means we filed a lawsuit and your case is proceeding to trial. During the process and before you can get to trial, the court is going to force us to go to mediation. Mediation is a process where we attempt to settle your case informally and outside the presence of a courtroom or a jury. The mediation is governed by a mediator. Now, a mediator cannot make any decisions regarding your case. The mediator simply listens to our side of the case, listens to the defense side of the case, and then breaks us up into separate rooms. While we're separated, the mediator will go back and forth from each room, trying to tell each side the strengths of the other person's case and the weaknesses of your case. They'll do that for both rooms just to let each side know where they're coming from. Our purpose at mediation is to get you the top dollar for the value of your case. Now, that number is determined by a number of factors, but most importantly, it's the number that you are comfortable with and that I am comfortable with. I call that the range of reasonableness. If the value of the case falls within this range of reasonableness and the opposing side wants to pay a number that falls within that range that we've already talked about and predetermined, then I would recommend settling your case. If, however, the number is below that, we can't settle your case and must proceed to trial. The value of your case is determined by the extent of your injuries. It'll be a combination of your past medical expenses, your expected future medical expenses, and your pain and suffering. There isn't a book or a guide that we can look to determine that number, but it is based upon the medical evidence that we have, as well as my experience, as well as reported jury verdicts from around the state. That number is a number where after you've paid your fees and costs and your medical providers, that you are comfortable with and satisfied as a recovery for your claim.